friends, so in the previous video I have told you all how to switch on and switch off a computer. In this video I will tell you how to write your name in computer. So let's start. So friends, this is our monitor, but before writing our name in computer I will give you a quick information about right click on a mouse. So see friends, a mouse has a left click, a right click and a scroll wheel. So about left click I have told you in previous video. So now today we will learn about right click. So see friends, whenever we place our cursor in any blank space in our desktop and press right click, so a list of options appear. So friends, now we will learn about how to write name in our computer. So friends, now let's write our name. So see friends, this is cursor. We have to place cursor in any blank space in the desktop and press right click. And now we have to left click on the new button. So more options will appear, and here we have to left click on Microsoft Office Word document. Remember, we have to do left click. So I am doing left click. So see, it will be appear like this, and we have to double left click it. Remember friends, double left click we have to do, and now it will open, and here we will write our name. So with the help of keyboard I am writing my name. You will write your name. So my name is Ryan, so I am writing. So I have written my name. And now we will close it. So press the red close button, left click, and if we have to save, we will press yes. So or if not, we will press no. So I have to save, so I have pressed yes. So see, it will be like this, and whenever we will open it, double left click we will do in it. It will be opened by our name if we have saved it. So okay friends,